yung basura ng Canada. I want a boat prepared. I'll give a warning to Canada maybe next week that they better pull that thing out or I will set sail doon sa Canada, ibuhos ko yung basura nila doon.
Sila dito. Pangalawa po, Mr. President, ay ang PhilHealth.
Huwayin natin ang Canada. Will declare war against them. Kaya man natin yan sila. Sa uli ko talaga yan. Tingnan mo. Ikarga mo yan doon sa barko, load it, the containers to a ship, and advise Canada, I will advise Canada that your garbage is on the way. Prepare a grand reception. Eat it if you want to.
65 years, 18